software if we don't give plaintiff's counsel all these discoverable emails.
Don't worry about it, Gina. If we accidentally give the plaintiff's counsel a confidential email attachment with a bill or a memo from our firm, well, we have waived attorney-client privilege.
I get your point, but the client owns the privilege, not us.
Wow. We would only have committed legal malpractice.
When we tell Mr. Frump what we need, he should listen.
Why doesn't Frump Enterprises just work with companies they can trust? If the deal's clear to both sides, the odds of litigation are a lot less.
Yeah! And you see, we're the ones who are impossible to deal with. Frump made his billions by rarely meaning what he says and by taking advantage of other people's weaknesses.
What a ridiculous waste of time and money.
You'll get used to it.
No, is what she means.
You know, the firm nets plenty after legal is paid. No, we just don't deserve to have up-to-date email discovery software, so we got to work all night long.
I am not going to waste my life working for a company that puts my law license in jeopardy, walking the ethical line just to save a buck.
You know, Stella, you need a rest. We'll finish all this. You know, everyone gets a little frustrated sometimes.
Thanks, Terry, but you know what? I'm beyond frustrated. I'm getting out.
But if we leave the legal profession to the unethical attorneys, well, then what will become a business? No, we have to push back.
My Aggie has a point. Why should we let the jerks inherit the legal profession?
Because I'm tired of the posturing, the lying, the lack of professionalism by opposing counsel. I'm also tired of Mr. Frump causing all these unnecessary lawsuits simply because he's a jerk.
You know, we haven't had a raise or even a bonus in over 2 years.
You know what? That's it. I'm just dropping in the firm. There's gotta be something. There's gotta be something better than this. There's gotta be something I'm proud to do. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna get out and do it.
The laws of respectable trade, I'm holding with a bill.